So I am going to talk about selecting software modules, and I'm going to start the welcome. And this is a NAISS course, and here on the first page, you will see some links to material at the various centers. And this includes both the NAISS computers as well as the other local branches. So there's a lot of material here. And there is actually also a link to info for Arrhenius under extras. If you go there, there will be a link to some material for it. But we don't have accounts set up there yet. But you can go and read about it there. Okay, so I'm assuming people have the prerequisites, which was basic Linux. And well, we are now going to talk about the module system. So the module system is something that's used on all the centers, even though there are some differences. And we are going to cover how the module system works. And what you learn here should be agnostic enough that you can use it at all the centers, including the new center Arrhenius. So we will show you how to find and load the modules. And when you know that, then you can use it on any of the centers. It's also relevant because, of course, all the centers will be installing new software now and then. So you need to find it. There is an important info page. It's here. And there's a Q&A page that you can use to write a question while it's being recorded if you don't want to be recorded. And if you're not logged in, you just type some name, you call yourself anything, and then you can start typing to it. So there's also a evaluation form afterwards, but I will also send that out as an email. So this is the syllabus. We are here now. Welcome and syllabus. And 9:10, I will continue talking about the module system, an overview of what it is. And then I will move on to talking about how you load, unload, do various things to the module system, a simple overview of the most important commands. And there will be various type alongs and exercises you can do. Then we have a break, and then Joachim will continue talking about compiler toolchains. And then Björn will talk about software modules and give some good examples on how to load them. And then after a break, he will continue with some exercises of this. And then I will talk about modules in batch script, just to show you how you load modules in batch scripts. And then we're at the end with a summary. So now we are ready to start. And in order to prepare, you should log in to whatever system you are going to use. And I am going to log into Dardel. Yes. And okay, my computer has changed the IP. I'm going to log into Kebnekaise and log in from there because I don't feel like setting up everything at the PDC again. If you are connecting from a place where you haven't connected from before or where your IP has changed, you will always need to go to PDC's page and register your IP, and I could just have done that. But as it is, I'm going to simply log into a place where I know it's set because I tested it yesterday evening. that. So I'm now on Dadel, and I'm going to type clear so I get to the top of the page. And before I continue, I'm going to ask, is the text actually big enough? Does anyone need me to increase the size of either the terminal or this text here?
I think it's needed to make it maybe 2 steps bigger.
Like this? Is this
Yeah.
better?
Yes, and for the terminal as well. Or maybe that's enough, or one more maybe. Yeah. That's fine, I think.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay. So we are now doing preparations, and I'm logged in, and I hope you guys are also logged in. And now at this system here, we are going to, I'm just going to show here for Dadel. I'm assuming you have set up the SSH keys. So I am going to create a directory in my home directory. Selecting modules like this. And I already have this file, of course, so I am going to remove it. So now I have a selecting modules directory. I'm going there, and then I'm going to fetch the exercises. Do that by copying this line here, wget, unless you are a Bianca user, I'm guessing, and there the exercises should be copying something you can copy from, since there's not internet connection. So I will put this here, wget, and then the path to the exercises. And as you can see, I now got the exercises. So it's time to extract them. And I'm doing that with tar, like this. And I got a directory, exercises, which I'm going to change into. And under this directory, there is a number of subdirectories for each of the sections that have exercises here. Okay, so let's